Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to live chat with the support team on the Shein app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Shein application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your email address and your password to log into your account. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into the homepage from which you can directly start shopping. Now, if you wish to contact the support and live chat with them, tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner, and now underneath More Services, you will see the support option. Go ahead and click on it, and this will take you into the support page. Now, from the support page, you can click on Customer Service at the bottom left, and this will open up the chat page right away. Now, from this page, you can simply enter your question or your query within the message box and click on the send icon to send it to the support team, and you will receive your response right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to chat with the support team on the Shein app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.